Here's an interesting fact. The San Francisco Bay Bridge averages 260,000 cars daily, each paying an $8 toll. This means the bridge generates $2,080,000 per day in revenue. This is a staggering number, but what's even more fascinating is that the same fundamental principles behind the bridge's revenue model apply directly to making money in business. The 3 key factors of profit. The Bay Bridge's success isn't magic. It operates on 3 core principles that apply to any successful business model. Number 1, demand. People need to cross the bridge. Number 2, offer. The bridge provides a way to cross. Number 3, traffic. There's a constant flow of people using it. That's it. That's the formula for generating money, whether it's a physical toll bridge or a digital product. It all comes down to solving a massive problem in a way that people will gladly pay for. Let's break this down further. Number 1, demand. Is there a burning need? The Bay Bridge exists because there's a clear need. People must cross the bay to get to their destinations. Without the bridge, they would have to take a much longer, more painful route. That inconvenience makes the bridge a necessity. Now, ask yourself, does your business solve a real problem that people genuinely need a solution for? Many entrepreneurs struggle because they're trying to sell something that has little or no demand. Here's a reality check. Are people actively searching for what you offer? Are they currently paying for alternatives? Does your product or service eliminate a painful inconvenience? If your answer is no, or not sure, you may need to pivot. A business without demand is a hobby, not an income stream. Number 2, offer. How compelling is your solution? A bridge isn't just a concept, it's a fully functional offer. It stands tall, durable, and reliable. It doesn't just exist, it delivers results daily. Your business must be the same way. An idea alone isn't enough. It needs to be an irresistible offer that people are willing to pay for. The best offers share these traits. Clarity. The customer instantly understands the value. Convenience. The offer makes life significantly easier. Speed. It provides an immediate or fast solution. Perceived value. The price is justified by the benefits. If people aren't buying, it's often because your offer isn't clear, compelling, or convenient enough. A weak offer is like a half-built bridge. People won't trust it enough to use it. Number 3, traffic. Are enough people seeing your offer? Even if the Bay Bridge was the best bridge in the world, it wouldn't generate millions per day unless people knew about it and had a reason to use it. This is where most businesses fail. They create an offer and assume people will magically show up. But without traffic, without people constantly flowing through your business, you won't make consistent sales. Traffic can come from many sources. Organic, SEO, word of mouth, referrals, paid ads, Google, Facebook, YouTube, etc. Partnerships, collaborations, affiliate marketing, social media, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok. The key is volume. If your business is struggling, chances are you're not putting your offer in front of enough people. No traffic equals no sales. Toll booth exercise to fix your business. Here's a simple but powerful way to diagnose and fix your business bottlenecks. Visualize your business as a bridge with a toll plaza. The cards are your potential customers, the bridge is your offer, and the toll booth is where you collect money. Now, ask yourself, are there enough cars approaching my bridge? Traffic issue? Are they stopping at the toll booth and paying? Offer issue? Is my bridge solving a problem people actually have? Demand issue? If you don't have enough traffic, you need to get more eyes on your business. If people aren't stopping to pay, your offer isn't compelling enough. And if no one even needs to cross your bridge, you're in the wrong market. Infinite earning potential of this model. When these 3 principles align, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Netflix is a bridge between people and entertainment. Amazon is a bridge between buyers and products. Uber is a bridge between passengers and drivers. Your business can be a bridge between a painful problem and a simple solution. The beauty of this framework is that it works at any scale. Whether you're selling a $10 ebook or a $10,000 coaching program, it all follows the same logic. Final thoughts. What's your next move? If you aren't getting the results you want, Don't overcomplicate it. Go back to the basics. Find a real, urgent problem. Demand. Create an offer that eliminates the pain. Offer. Put it in front of as many people as possible. Traffic. Every successful business follows these rules, whether they realize it or not. So, what bottleneck is holding you back? Fix it, and your business will start flowing the right way. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and click link in description for more.